Today we'll talk about daily things that I carry almost every day in my pocket. First of all, I will talk about reason and why I choose the brands or I use it as daily items. First of all, there's my phone. My phone brand is from brand made by Xiaomi. I use it since 2018.
My hobby at weekend is culinary. I like culinary when I have free time. That's why I did at weekend. I have visited many culinary places at Bandung City. Sometimes I can't be more discovered about fire food. My favorite culinary place is a street food because it has a cheap price and tasteful. I always looking for fire food at my social media. Besides my hobby, culinary is also my way to relieve my tiredness. By culinary, I come to know type of food.
And without handle. There are only a few questions that have no answer. In the middle of this noise, I discovered and read a book. This is Sisi Tergelap Surga. So I read every page of book in a slow tempo because I have to know them and how they feel. These books
Maybe you can try to seperti itu. Tangannya nggak akan dimasukin gitu saja. Nanti sedikit Okay. Sometimes your face.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, miss. My name is Ahmad Ali. I will presentation about my favorite movie. My favorite movie is Dahmer Gang. This sci-fi action movie was directed by Gary Ross and released in 2012. This movie tells story about Ted Kansas.
Okay, so introduce dulu. My name is Ahmad Supriyatna and I'm from semester 4 and I will tell you about how movement of the earth and movement of the earth changed me. So at first I was confused and pretty overwhelming with the same anime over and over again about main character with overpower.
First of all, thank you for being here today. My name is Gita Chandani, and I want to share something that makes it simple, that actually means a lot to me, that is singing. And I will explain why singing has become such a meaningful hobby for me. So, have you ever felt like you wanted to tell someone how you feel, but you just didn't know how to start? Sometimes, our emotions are too complicated to explain with words.
In my not so long journey, I'm gonna talk about trusting people based on my experience. Many people faces their difficulty in their life, but maybe for some people it sounds too much to feel such a depression or stress in their life. But it is really normal to feel that way, I think. In that hard time, I feel like I
Positive thinking means focusing on good things, even when life is hard. It doesn't mean ignoring problems, but asking a big help, standing strong when positive people.
Can you try to not sing the handphone with me? Just try to explain and involve more and more about how about yours please.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saskia. Let me explain about my topic. Cooking and how cooking saved my life. My mother taught me to cook when I was little, which now is one my favorite activities I always wanted to do. I love me a bit more, and cooking is first.
My name is Aditya Pakinagariza. I will give a presentation about family. I am someone who always enjoy new things, whether